friends, this is Dr. Abdek Ayam Chimthanawala. Today I would like to share one case. A case of convulsions. Yes, a case of convulsions, a case of epilepsy. Now this patient came to me for convulsions. Of course, he was already taking a lot of allopathy medicines. He had already tried few homeopathy medicines also, but with no avail. During case taking, when I found that the convulsions history started when he saw a very frightful incident in his life. A frightful incident means that he had seen his father hitting his mother, and this boy got frightened at that time. Actually, there was no problem with the father and mother. It was an instinctive reaction from the father because of the event. But that incident had a fear in his son's life, and that after that the patient probably thinks that the disease started. Of course, the father and mother consoled the child that everything is okay, but maybe that part the patient's father tells that might be the cause of convulsions. So that was it. Secondly, when I asked the child, he was about 20-21 years of age, that tell me something about you. So he told, sir, I always think about past complaints. I always keep thinking कैसा क्यों हुआ और वैसा क्यों हुआ, मेरे साथ में उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, मेरे साथ में ऐसा क्यों हुआ. So he had that tendency of brooding on the past. That was his nature like. Third, I asked something more about his nature, and he said that he does not like company, or he has aversion to company, and he's better when he's alone. So he told both the things, that he does not like company, he has aversion to company, and he is better when he's alone. Next, I also asked him tell something about the convulsions, and his father told that Dr. Sahab, convulsions comes on the right side of the body and then to the left side. A very typical symptom, he told me. So I said okay, I mean that convulsion starts from the right side and then goes to the left side. Now, if you repetize this case, if you get some rubric like that, you will end up that elements from fright, dwells on past disagreeable things, or company aversion to a better generation while you will come to drugs like ignitia, sepia, platinum, phosphorus, sulfur also. But then I did not stop my case taking. I asked the patient something else. Are there a symptom which we are missing? So I told his father, is there anything which you would like to add, which is something very peculiar to your son? So his father told कि डॉक्टर साहब जब भी वो बॉटल दिखता ना वो दवाई की, उसको ऐसे उसको देख के और घिन आती है, मेरे को नहीं खाना है, उसको बहुत गंदा लगता है कि मेरे को नहीं खाना है बॉटल, मुझे पसंद है दवाई बॉटल में दूर रखो. So his father told that he always feels that keep that medicines bottle away. I don't like to see those bottles. I said okay. Anything else? So his father told that he has a problem riding the bicycle also. We have taught him so much, but still he has difficulty in riding the bicycle. Though he rides, though he takes my scooter and rides properly, but has difficulty in riding the bicycle. I said, okay, anything else? I asked him. He told maybe sometimes when the mobile is ringing or the phone is there, he does not like. He has a fear of phone also. Phone नहीं बता रहा, कुछ तो भी गलत news होंगी. So I thought maybe that he had that fright feeling, the same fright fear of he might be there. But when the case taking was over, again sat and saw some symptoms and what he was telling. So he actually was telling a disgusting feeling seeing the medicine bottles. Second, fear of telephones at verbatim if you take. And third, difficulty in riding the bicycle. While riding the bicycle, there is difficulty. Now when I put this in our repertory chart, surprisingly I found one very rare drug, my friends. See, sometimes you get surprised that this drug also works in convulsions which we never think of. So if you repertorize the whole case For example, the symptoms I'm telling you: elements from fright, company aversion to, better alone when. Third, dwells on past disagreeable things. Fourth, convulsions on right side of the body and then left side of the body. And then difficulty in riding a bicycle, fear of telephone, and disgust while seeing the medicine bottles. Now, to my surprise, the drug which came, that was Viscum album. Yes, Viscum album. And Viscum album, when I saw the mathematics of Viscum album in different books, it had specifically mentioned these symptoms. In fact, convulsions on the right side, then the left side, is very well written in Viscum album, and the disgust while seeing medicinal bottle, a very important symptom of Viscum album. So I decided to give the patient Viscum album, and I gave him Viscum album 1 ml, 1 dose. And the patient came after 2 months, and to my utter surprise, he told in these 2 months he has only got 1 attack of convulsions, and rest everything is fine. His appetite is improved, he is now studying well, he is feeling fresh, everything has gone better. And in the course of 6 to 8 months, gradually the convulsions decrease, and now today for 3 months he has got no convulsion attack. Viscum album 1 ml, 1 dose. So this is how I got this remedy. A very rare prescription, but if the symptom similarity corresponds, then homeopathy works. That's why it is said homeopathy basically is an art. And I always say it is the art of interpretation and then prescribing. If you are able to interpret what the patient is telling you in the rubric form, then you can prescribe this wonderfully. Now, apart from this, I have few symptoms of Viscum album to share with you, and those are difficulty or aggravation when lying on the left side. A Viscum album patient will come and tell you he cannot lie on the left side, or he has difficulty on lying on the left side. This symptom I am telling you because whenever this symptom comes, the first drug that comes to your mind is, or comes to my mind is, Lachesis. Because we have been taught and told in a lot of seminars and conferences, cannot lie on the left side. But from today, add Viscum album in your Mathematica chart. Viscum album patient has the same symptom, difficulty or aggravation while lying on the left side. And one more symptom, a very important symptom of Viscum album, that the patient will come and tell you, डॉक्टर साहब रात को नींद लेट लगती है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, लेकिन सवेरे जल्दी खुल जाती है. Sometimes we feel कि तो normal symptom है, but no my friends, this symptom is very well written in Viscum album. Sleep falling late and wakes up early, मतलब रात को लेट सोता है और सवेरे उठता है. Third symptom, perspiration better while he is better when perspiring. Again a very important modality. And sometimes Viscum album has hysterical convulsions. Patient will come and tell you, डॉक्टर साहब कुछ नहीं, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं पड़ता है, अपने आप गिर जाता हूँ. Then you have to confirm whether it is actual convulsions or it is just hysteria. So Viscum album has that syphilitic hysterical convulsions without any cause, without any aura sometimes. That is hysterical convulsions. That is also an important symptom of Viscum album. And remember, a Viscum album patient is a very optimistic patient. A very optimistic person he is. That I have confirmed a lot of patients. Optimistic remedy, Viscum album. You must compare Viscum album optimism with AIDS, AIDS, calcareous carb and sulfur. All these remedies also are very optimistic remedies. So in short, apart from the case which I have told you about convulsions, that is first left side then right side, anger, the brooding, fear of telephone, disgust while seeing medicinal bottle. This was a case of convulsions which I cured, but it's a medicinal symptom which I have cured. That also you have to remember, that is difficulty or aggravation for lying on left side, falling asleep late and wakes up early, perspiration emulation, convulsions hysterical, and a Wiscom album, a very optimistic patient. So my friends, if you like the video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.